So 2024 model KTM group, guys. The KTMs have been announced, delivered, and are being sold at dealerships. The Huskies have been announced and are being delivered. We didn't know what was going on with GasGas. What are they waiting on? Well, apparently they are doing their Spice It Up festival in Italy. Yes, an Austrian-owned brand with Spanish roots and heritage is announcing their bikes at a festival in Italy. Whatever, but. So obviously this was no grand mystery. I mean, we knew what the new body style was because we've seen the factory editions, but it's just cool to see it on the two-stroke here, like this EC250. I believe this is the MC250, which I kind of was most excited to see this just because it's new gen, it's right there with the KTM and Husky, it's TBI, I love that GasGas red, might be my favorite body style right now. I dig that. I love the silver wheels. That's what the sickest two-stroke you can buy, in my opinion. So now that all three brands are the same generation, you can save a few bucks by getting the GasGas, and you're not at any kind of disadvantage. And a lot of people, I would say, this looks even cooler. What do you guys think?